Renhotec, high-voltage interlock connectors are safety systems integrating dual mechanical and electrical protection. Built with long short pin sequential design, the high-voltage power pins and low-voltage interlock pins cooperate precisely. Upon connection, high-voltage terminals engage first, followed by interlock conduction. During disconnection, interlock pins separate first before high-voltage power is cut off, effectively eliminating arcing and electric shock hazards from live plugging and unplugging. The orange warning housing is made of flame-retardant material with IP6K9K sealing protection. It is waterproof, dustproof, and resistant to extreme temperatures, ideal for harsh vehicle operating conditions.